Find the value of k. The given equation 5k minus 6 whole square, 5k minus 6 into x square plus 2kx plus 1 equal to 0 has real and equal roots. Roots are real and equal. Find the value of k whose roots are real and equal. Find the value of k. The equation of these roots are real and equal is given. Subdivision 1. The roots are real and equal. We have b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So comparing with this with the general equation, we have a equal to 5k minus 6, b equal to 2k and c is equal to 1. Roots are real and equal, therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 since roots real and equal. Substituting the values, b square is 2k square, that is 2k whole square, 4k square minus 4 into a is 5k minus 6 into c is 1 equal to 0. Now multiplying 4 inside, 4k square minus 20k plus 24 into 1 is need not to multiply equal to 0. Now divided by 4, all are divisible by 4. We can divide it by 4, which implies k square minus 5k plus 6 is equal to 0. You can factor it by factoring. Factors are k minus 3 into k minus 2 equal to 0. When we multiply implies 6. When we add these numbers, total value is minus 5. So the factors are k minus 3 into k minus 2 equal to 0. Separating the factors, k minus 3 equal to 0. K minus 2 equal to 0. Here k equal to 3 and another answer k equal to 2. Therefore the values of k is, the value of k is 3 and 2. The subdivision number 2 in it, given roots of the equation are real and equal, the same thing given. The equation is kx square plus 6k plus 2 into x plus 16 equal to 0 is the given equation. Comparing with the general equation ax square plus bx plus c, a equal to k, b equal to 6k plus 2 and c is equal to 16. Substituting the discriminant value, roots are real and equal. Given roots are real and equal, roots are real and equal. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Substituting in it, b square is 6k plus 2 whole square minus 4 into a is k, c is 16 equal to 0. Now simplifying it by use of a plus b whole square formula, expanding by a plus b whole square formula, a square 36k square plus 2ab, that is 2 into 2, 4 into 6k plus 24k plus b square plus 4 minus 4 into 16, 64k minus 64k equal to 0. Simplifying it, we will get 36k square. Adding these two, minus 60k plus 4 equal to 0. All are divisible by 4. Divided by 4 we will get 9k square minus simplify it, 36k square, 24 minus 64 minus 40k plus 4 equal to 0. all are divisible by 4, dividing by 4, 9k square minus 10k plus 1 equal to 0. You should factor it. By factoring, when multiply it will be 9. When we add it will be minus 10. So minus 1, minus 9. When we multiply we will get plus 9. Add we will get minus 10. So these are the numbers. We have 9 as a coefficient of k square. So divided by 9. By cancelling we have k minus 1, minus 1 by 9. Minus 1 are the values. So k minus 1 into 9k minus 1 equal to 0. These are the factors. Separating the factors, k equal to 1 comma 1 by 9. K equal to 1 comma 1 by 9. Therefore, the values of k is k equal to 1 comma 1 by 9.